Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to use else if statement in Bash. So basically, let's have a game and let's have a small scenario. We will ask the user to guess the number between the range of 1 to 10. So for that purpose, I will print a message in here that will say the user to enter a number from 1 to 10 and we'll have three numbers that will consider as success scenario. I will store that number into a variable. Let's call that variable as a number. And here let's have our if statement. So I will write here if space $sign number, which is our variable, equals 1 semicolon. Then I'll print a message as winner. Now let's have else if. So I will write here elif. After that again my brackets, and in that I'll call my variable again and I will equals to it 5. So now if the number is equal to 5 or the number is equal to 1, it will be considered as success scenario. So I will print a message in here as winner, and let's have one more success scenario. So I will write here elif, and in that I will call my variable and let's assign it a value of, or let's compare it with the value of 7. So if these three conditions are true, user will be considered as winner. So I will write here echo winner. So these were all the scenario of winning. In case if user enters any other number than these three, he or she will be considered as loser. So for that purpose, I'll print a message in here else echo please try again. And now I'll close my if statement as fi. Save this file and let's head to our terminal and let's run this file. Command for that is bash space name of the file, which is script.sh. Hit enter. So here it is asking to enter a number from 1 to 10. Let's add 1 here. Here it says winner. Let's enter 5 here. Here it says winner. And now let's add 7 in here. Here again it says winner. Now let's add a number which is not equal to any of these three numbers. For that purpose, I will run my program once again. I will hit enter. Now let's add 2 here. Here it says please try again. Let's run this program one more time and let's add 6. Here again it is asking please try again because it does not meet any of these three logics or any of these three conditions. So this is how you can use your else if statement in your bash. You can change the scenario. You can have your more logics and more conditions in here. You can use your else if statement with your for loop, your while loop, your switch statements, and many more other things. So I hope now you know that how you can use it into your bash. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.